Hi, my name is John Lawton. I'm with MachinesUsed.com. Today we're going to talk about the Haas Next Generation Control. This control debuted in about 2016-2017 and it replaced the Haas CNC control with cold fire processor. In the past I showed you how to find the hours in a Haas 32-bit control. Those ran up through about 2006. Then between 2006 and 2016, and there's some overlap, it was the Haas with cold fire, and now you're seeing the Haas Next Generation controls. This is the control. They all have a USB slot, and that's really important because to do anything in these controls beyond the basics, including getting the hours, you need one of these, which is really a memory stick that's had the right software put on it from Haas. It only lasts for a certain period of time, like 20 days or so. So you need to use it when you get it set up for you. I want to show you how to get the hours, and we need this to do it. So we're looking at the Haas control. We can be around current command page, doesn't matter what. I'm going to put this in the memory slot. And when I do it, it says USB mounted right down there. So if I pulled it back out, I'm going to pull it back out. He'll just keep the camera right here. Ooh, now it's unmounted. You know it's out. So I'll wait for that to clear, put it back in. USB mounted. So now the USB is in and mounted, I am ready. I need to go to the alarms page, which is on the display here in the center, alarms, and I hit alarms. I'm up here at the active alarms. There's no active alarms, but I need to type in the input debug. That is D-E-B-U and G. It says debug there. If I hit the enter key at the bottom, boom, I have unlocked the machine. Now so when I hit that enter on the debug, unlock that orange and yellow band down here, you know you're in the mode where you can look up your hours. To look up the hours, we used to go to the position page on the other controls. On this control, we go to the diagnostic page, which is right below it and right to the right of the alarms, which we're already in. So I hit diagnostic. I'm up here in diagnostic. Now up in the diagnostic, you got to go into a sub page. We're in diagnostics. We want to get down here and over to miscellaneous, which is right there, if you can see it. So I'm going to toggle down, which I am, and then I'm going to use this toggle button right here, this left and right toggle. If I toggle one, I'm in System, Axis, I/O, MOCON, Miscellaneous. All right, I'm in the miscellaneous. This is where you'll find it. It's going to be in this row of stuff here. So to get to this, now I'm just going to scroll down. Well, that's your up and down arrows. So I'll just scroll down until I see something that says, oh, that's runtime. Well, I'm going to go down a little further so you see it all. But that's your runtime. There's your power on time. There's your spindle time. There's your servo time. And there's your total feed time. You can just toggle right through those. You could take a picture of that and you'd have what the hours are on this hour meter. Now, this machine is a 2016. It obviously does not only have 81 hours of spindle time on it. This machine was zeroed before it came to us, meaning they reinstalled software to take something out with robotics and it made it be zero. So just because it says this doesn't mean that's what the machine actually has sometimes, and it's worth noting that. But if somebody asks what the meter says, that's it, and you know how to get to it. Now, we've always told you how to safely get out of it, and that took a whole bunch of rigmarole on the other controls. Kind of neat on this. I'm right over here on the memory stick. Notice I'm still in the unlock. All I got to do to get out of this, pull it out, it's gone. It takes me right out of that. I'm no longer, it says USB unmounted. I don't have to do debug all over again like I used to. It's ready to go.